It is the evening before youth turkey season in Vermont. Just trying to get some ears on a gobble before opening day. I gotta put Everett on a bird tomorrow morning. We saw a tom hanging out here with a jake and a hen pretty much all day today, just across the road from our house. If we can't make that happen, then we're gonna chase some turkeys on top of the mountain, on top of old Blue Mountain. Wish us luck. Everett and I just made a move. We moved from our original spot because the tom that we were after wasn't gobbling in the place that we wanted him to be. I think he was over by Nelson's. So we're headed up to the mountain to chase the bird up there. So we're gonna try some different birds, different tactics this morning, and go after a mountain bird.
Yeah.
Let's get him. We just hiked up and around this big knob. I know that it's all hardwoods on that side, and the turkeys like to be in there and just scratch around and stuff. So we haven't heard any gobbles up here, but I just know historically it's like a safe place that they didn't like to be. So we're gonna call, see if we can get anything to gobble when we crest over. If not, we're just gonna set up on some sign and kind of wait them out and see if they come through.
He's coming. What? He's coming. Do you see him? Oh, I see him. Is that a tom? Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Shoot him again. Get him? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Nice, dude.
Holy crap. Oh my god. Yeah, after that second shot, he just flopped. What has he got? A little 4-inch beard? 3-inch? Yeah. Definitely feels a lot lighter than my other one.
You know what's crazy is, so we were up on top of the hill. So he was gobbling, but mostly to crows. He wasn't necessarily gobbling back to us. I'd called, but it wasn't an immediate response.
Yeah.
I switched to this, just a different cut read, and as soon as I did that,
He was responding?
wow, and that's when he came in.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I was thinking like, is the one I'm using too raspy? Is it just the wrong sound?
Yeah.
And then I switched to this and he responded immediately.
Look at that, Rob.
Not what I'm looking at.
Oh, the shed. Look at that. Nice 4-pointer. Nice 8-pointer. Man, this is a great morning.
Nothing like a turkey hunt finding a shed.
Yeah.
2023 turkey season off to a good start. Let's hope we can get a few more on the ground. That was a fun hunt.
It was. First location didn't work out too well, but second one prevailed, and we even got a little antler shot out of it too. So.
Yeah, a turkey and an antler. That's a good day. Nelson, myself, and Dad, we got some tags to fill for sure. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.